welcome to the Ginger Snack Show! Here we place Clementine for the reason that it was the real Hannah Montana yesterday and wasn't an imposter. So she got fired for being a bad person. So I replaced her, and I know you all miss her and hate me. So you're just gonna have to deal with it. And now today we have the real Hannah Montana. Now welcoming the one, the only,
Hello, I am Hannah Montana.
That's wrong.
This show is kind of weird, but... Okay, so what is the first question?
Is your hair real?
Well, from my calculations, everyone says, oh my gosh, it's like so fake. But I'm like, no, it is not. See, it's like real. So, but I just, I said the
question is, does Hannah Montana eat her vegetables?
Well, recently, I know recently that I just don't like, I just really don't like carrots. That's just, well, I like some kinds of carrots, but it's not really my type of...
Enough jibber-jabber! Next question! This is actually a viewer's question. Do you think... I'm just reading this for the first time here. Ginger Snap is stupid!
Well, I don't know who the... Wait, I don't know who the Ginger Snap is, but...
Oh no, it's me! It's me! Me!
Well, I think sometimes, well...
Answer!
No, I don't.
Okay, next question. This is one of my personal favorites. Do you like to go-kart?
Well, I've been playing my GameCube recently.
Wrong answer!
Well, I've been playing Mario Kart.
Next question. This is a viewer's question. Do you think Ginger Snap is crazy? Who is running me this?